We got a minor inconvenience today. There's a police car right where I was going to park. It's right next to the siren. I don't know what's the deal. Like, this is like the third or fourth time this happened. I don't know. This damn sun is in my eyes. Oh well. Well, I was hoping that I was going to get another siren shot. I mean, a close-up siren shot, since I believe the very last time I ever got to film one of these sirens in my city was from a distance because of police, you know. But guess what? This here was ruined too because of police. Oh well. I don't know why they always do this. They stop right at the siren location. Okay, well, let's better luck next month. For anyone who was wondering last month why I didn't film the monthly siren test in my city, I slept through it. Yep, I did. Crazy, right? Usually when I hear a siren or something that sounds like a siren outside, like it usually wakes me up and I try to rush out the door to film it real fast. To little success. But but back in September, I did not set my alarm to go off before 10 a.m. and I slept through it, which is, like I said before, just super weird because I'm a siren enthusiast and it usually wakes me up when they go off. Well, it's a good thing that I went to Des Moines and they happen to test their sirens on the first Saturday of every month, and I happened to go there on the first Saturday, what first weekend, you know. So the Des Moines siren test just serves as September's monthly siren test. But, you know, two is better than one, so it was a shame that I didn't get to film my city sirens going on.